Hello friend, welcome to my channel Quest for Education. Today I am discussing 10 mathematics questions for the student who is preparing for the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya exam. Let's start. And before we start, one thing I would remember you that don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you like my video then press the like button and share to your friend. Let's start. Question number 1. Traffic light at one particular crossing change after every 30 seconds. The traffic light at the next crossing change after every 40 seconds. At certain time they change together. After what time will they again change together? First we calculate the LCM of these two numbers. We get the desired result. So question number 1, 30 and 40, 2, 20, that is 5, 3, 4, that is 2 into 5 into 3 into 4, 180 second. So we convert it into minutes. We get 180 divided by 60, that is 3. So C is the right answer. Coming to the next question. The average of three numbers is 25. If one number is 20 and the other number is 21, find the third number. First we write it in average of three numbers, 25. Total of three numbers, that is 25 into 3, that is 75. One number is 20, other is 21, so we add these two, we get 41. So third number is 75 minus 41, that is 4, 3, 34. So C is the right answer. 3. In a school there are 400 students. On the day of inspection 20% of the students were absent. How many students were absent? So we calculate the 20% of 400, that is 400 of 20%, that is 400 into 20 by 100, so 80. So B is the right answer. Coming to the next question. A man spent rupees 80 in 12 days. Find out how many days he will spend rupees 60. So we calculate simply in unitary method. 4, 80 rupees 80 spent in 12 days, rupees 1 spent in 12 by 80 days, rupees 60 spent in 12 into 60 by 80. So 9 days. So the right answer is B, 9 days. Question number 5. The HCF of 180, 288 and 540 is. Simply we calculate the HCF in traditional way, that is 5 number 180, 288. 180, we divide 180, that is 1. That is 270, so 36. After that we divide this number by 36, we get 36,540, 136. $185, 180. So 36 is the right answer. A is the right answer. Question number 6. A man brought 30 dozen of eggs at the rate of rupees 30 per dozen. 5 dozens of these eggs were broken. He sold the remaining eggs at the rate of 6 eggs for rupees 21. What is his profit? First we calculate the CPU of the egg. So 6, he bought 30 dozen of eggs and rate is 30 per dozen, so he have to spend 900 rupees, that is CP equal to 900. And 5 dozen of eggs, these eggs were broken, so he has 30 minus 5, that is 25 dozen of eggs. He has remained 25 dozen of eggs. He sell the remaining eggs at 6 eggs for rupees 21, that is in 42 rupees per dozen. So selling price is SP equal to 25 into 42, that is 1050. So profit is 1050 minus 900, that is 150. So A is the right answer. Question number 7. If in 8 years rupees 2500 amount to rupees 3000, find the rate of simple interest. So we simply calculate it with formula. Question number 7, that is principal is 2500, amount is 3000, so interest it 3000 minus 2500, that is 500. So rate time equal to 8 year, rate equal to I into 100 by P into T, that is 500 into 100 by P 2500 into 8. So 0 0 5 5 8 4 2 5 by 2, that is 2.5%. So B is the right answer. Question number 8. How much distance does a boy cover in running 5 times a rectangular field 200 meter long and 30 meter wide? So first we have to calculate the perimeter of the field. After that we multiply the perimeter with 5. So question number 8. Length equal to 200 meter, breadth equal to 30, that is perimeter equal to 2 into length plus breadth, that is 2 into 200 plus 30, that is 2 into 230, that is 460 meter. So perimeter is 460. I multiplied the number with 5, we get 0. So A is the right answer. Coming to the next question, the value of 10.5% of 800. So we simply calculate it like that. 9 number, 10.5% of 800, that is 21 by 2 into 800 by 100, that is 84. So A is the right answer. Question number 10. In class 5, out of 60 students, 24 are girls. What is the percentage of girls in the class? Simply we calculate it in unitary method. Out of 60 students, 24 are girls. Out of 1 student, 24 by 160 are girls. Out of 100 student, 24 into 100 by 60, that is 40 are girls. So B is the right answer. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.